It's a TKO 5479 Schlage Primus. I was hoping to be able to pick this out of the padlock body for him. Now, I have picked this lock a few times, as you can see by the other... Somebody cut this thing. I don't know how they imagined they'd get into it that way, but... Anyway, the other half of the shackle's sitting there. Had this thing picked a few times, and been trying to come up with a way of getting to the control pin at the back, and coming up short. Really try to kind of rotate it almost all the way back to closed, and reach in there and see if I can get to it. And reliably, both times I've tried that, I've locked it back up on myself. So at this point, I think I'm just going to try and pick it on camera, and then maybe see if I can come up with any other ideas, but probably just cut it out. TKO doesn't care if I cut the body to get the core out. He just wants the core to play with. So I'll make sure that I send it back to him in that condition, one way or the other. It'd be nice if I could get it out non-destructively, though. We try to use some elegance and grace here at the Tumbler Lock Manipulation Dojo. Anybody can put a brick through a window. Hands falling asleep. I feel like I'm pretty close. My hand wake up for a sec. I have bad carpal tunnel. comes from driving a desk for work. And genetics as well. My mom had it as well, and she had to have a couple surgeries. I haven't had the surgeries yet, but I'm sure there'll come a time. There it is. Okay, so we got the core open. I was not able to pick it to control, but it should be pretty clear looking here at the lock that I didn't tamper with it in any way. And again, this shackle came out the first time I picked it. It was like this. Somebody tried to cut it, but anyway, this is the TKO 5479 Schlage Primus lock. This was with another picker for a while who was unable to open it, and so he sent it to me to see if I could get the core out. Like I said, probably now I'm just probably going to cut the core out, because if I could rotate this all the way around, all the way to where the keyway was vertical like this, I could get into it with the Artemis picked kind of method that allows you to use the bottom of the keyway to access the control pin. But I can't. Just no way to get it around because it's a padlock, so probably end up having to cut it out. But anyway, yeah, that's the lock. I actually removed the screw first time I got into it, thinking, hey, maybe it's not an LFIC, but it was. So that was the screw that's holding it in, and there's no way pulling it out. So, all right, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.